9 Poems from Schrodinger's Cat on Scientific Poetry by Devitt 1, Schrodinger's Cat. We are inside the black box, bounded by space, time, matter, and energy. In the domain of space and time, we are busy converting for synergy. Also, we convert energy into matter through accumulation of body fats, but within the boundaries of the black box, our lives end and everything rests. No one knows what is beyond the black box in this infinite galaxies. No technology to physical verification. What is there at the edge of the universe? The secrecy beyond the black box, the unknown power preserve. We can bring out the Schrodinger's cat out of the box. Even then, to go out of the paradox will not be easy and simple. To know the ultimate truth of life, humans will always face trouble. 2. Entropy will kill. Entropy of universe is increasing day by day. I can feel it. But we don't have any machine or methods to slow down, nor we have any law of physics to invent machine for blowdown. Knowing the truth alone is not enough. We need solution. Every day in front of us happening undesirable destruction. To increase entropy, every month human population is increasing. The irreversible process of entropy may become maximum soon. The mankind, the supreme animal, will be forced to migrate to moon. Don't laugh at older generations, not smart enough without plastic. At least the phenomenon of increasing entropy was not rustic. Matter-energy duality. The matter and energy duality are very simple. Every moment, billions of stars are doing it. Galaxies come into existence as matter, and matter of galaxies vanishes as energy. But summation of all matter and energy is zero. In between, antimatter and dark energy are unknown hero. Every moment we play with matter and energy, but still far away from inventing a simple technique. In the domain of time and space, our existence is limited. The day we learn simple technology to convert matter and energy, the barriers of time and space will not remain as infinity. God will be inside the box of Schrodinger with the cat. The universe may be ruled by artificial intelligent robots, called flying bat. 4. Parallel universes, religion said from time immemorial about parallel universes' existence. Physics and scientific community told it imaginary and ignorance. As physics go deeper and unable to explain many natural phenomenon. Now they are saying that parallel universe is an explanation. But to the 1,000-years-old thought, scientists will not give recognition. Particle physics, subatomic physics, itself philosophical thought, corroborated by scientific experiment only after decades. Yet similar philosophy explained in different language format, they reject. This is black box thinking syndrome of scientific community. What we do not know is not knowledge, is not acceptable in science. Once a parallel universe is proved, for being judgmental, they will maintain silence. Importance of observer. When we open the Schrodinger's box in time horizon, the cat inside may be alive or dead, a matter of probability. No observer from outside can predict it with confidence and confirm. But when we observe, the situation is likely to be different. That is why, for event horizon, the observer is important. In double-slit experiment, particles behave differently when observed. Why entangled particles behave so, no explanation in this regard. The information between entangled particles moves faster than light. So in the future, communication with exoplanets and aliens is bright. 6. Artificial intelligence. No pump like heart, needed to pump water to top of coconut tree. Machines can't collect honey from mustard flowers like bee. From the same soil plants can make sweet, sour, and bitter thing. For artificial intelligence, it will be a different game in nature's ring. If everything is done by robots with solar power, no purpose to live on planet Earth for humans forever. This is the right time to travel to other planets and galaxies. We should try to sign new genetic codes for immortal bodies. I am not interested to live indefinitely under intelligent computer. Let me die with independent thinking today, even if time doesn't remember. 7. Don't breach the time dimension. In the infinite universe, the speed of light is too slow. Maybe a safety precaution to protect individuality of planets, so aliens and humans cannot engage in frequent wars. Other civilizations may be flourishing billions light years away. Traveling faster than light may not be good for Homo sapiens. Let us not break the safety valve without knowing consequences. The tunnel in time dimension may turn civilization upside down. Half knowledge is worse than ignorance. With breach of speed of light and tunnel in time, Homo sapiens may fall. 8. Once upon a time. Once upon a time, people thought the sun moves around the earth, it sinks in ocean in evening and comes out in morning. Sun needs permission from God every morning. How ignorant those primitive days. For millions of years, people didn't know nuclear bombs. Good they built pyramids and tombs, not destruction. Otherwise, civilization would have gone to oblivion. Once we were taught about ether through which light propagate, now scientists think it hollow. Today, no one knows Big Bang, steady state, multiverse, or string theory. Which is right? Planets, stars, and galaxies born and die like human being. To man, scale of time and dimensions, another thing. 9 and 9, God equation. Are we only heap of atoms like other matter, or combination in human body totally different? Only combination cannot infuse consciousness. Man, robots, and AI, there is difference. Once atoms were smallest particle to exist. Proton, neutron, electron, the basics. Now deeper we go. This is not true. Maybe photons, bosons, or vibration of strings. Some say matter is only information, combining as code to give representation. But consciousness, we have no solution. Let us be happy eating apple and wine made of it, till scientists find the God equation, where everything will fit. A powerful fusion of physics and philosophy, science questioning existence, and existence questioning science. If you wish, I can next recite it in